Hi loves! Today I wanted to give you an update to my project pen, so let's just get right into it. The first product that I decided to finish was the Huda Beauty Silk Balm in the shade Blush. And I actually did finish it completely. As you can see, it's totally empty. And it took me 17 uses in this project to completely finish it. At first, when I had it, I really did not like it because it really smells like plastic, but from the beginning. But I really enjoyed the feeling on the lips, like it's really balmy and hydrating. I really enjoyed it, but I kind of forgot it as time went by, and I'm really glad that I ended up finishing it because yeah, I really enjoy the formula of it still. And I did use it as a lip balm when I was doing my makeup, so the 17 uses really are 17 days because I would put it on when I do my makeup in the morning. And yeah, that's one rollout. Then I wanted to finish my NYX Angel Veil primer, and it's not finished yet. I only used it 5 times because it's not mattifying enough for me during the, like, if I want to use it for a whole day. So I usually use it when I do my makeup at home or when I do my makeup for a very short amount of time. I still enjoy it. I think it looks pretty on the face, but it doesn't keep my oils at bay. And yeah, of course, I only used it 5 times, so it's not finished, it's staying. Then one that I've been wanting to finish for a very long time is one of my Urban Decay Vice lipsticks. It's this one in the shade Alaya, and I'm very happy to report that it's completely empty. It's all flat, like I'm not gonna scrape inside of it, but I really can't use it now. And even though it was already very small at the beginning of this project, it still took me 14 uses to completely finish it, which I was not expecting. I really thought that in under 10 uses I would have finished it, but 14 it is. I'm very glad I finally finished it because I know I shouldn't have, because it smelled so bad, like it really is expired, and I shouldn't have fought that hard for this, but it was really my pride speaking. I really wanted to finish that one, and I'm really glad I did. I decided to declutter some of my other Vice lipsticks because they are very old and some of them smelled really bad. For example, the Uptight one, which has still a little left, but it smells so bad. I still have 2 others that are still in my collection that don't smell bad, that are still beautiful on the lips, so I'm keeping them for now, but hopefully I will be able to finish them, but if I'm not able to, I will not force it. So this one is another rollout. Oh, I forgot. I want to show you many looks that I did with this. Here are the looks. It was a very easy shade to throw on, like it's a quite neutral pink. Yeah, so very easy to incorporate in everyday looks. Then another Urban Decay product, which was the Urban Decay Afterglow blush in the shade Fetish, which is one of my favorite blush in my collection. I love the color, but I really wanted to use it more because it's very old, and I didn't want to finish it, but I wanted to hit a pan. I've used it 22 times and it has a pan. I'm so glad. I'm really happy about this. And yeah, I've been loving every time that I used it. I still continue to use it. It's such a beautiful blush. I love that color on me. It looks beautiful with almost everything. Same thing. I'm gonna show you looks. As you can tell, it's like, I think it looks very beautiful on me. Like it's not too bright, it's not too dark. It gives a little like moody romantic vibe that I really love. And yeah, I'm still really glad that I have it in my collection. And really, this is the reason that I love doing this kind of project. I love to finish my products, of course, but it really made me fall in love again with this product. I forgot how much I used to love it because of new products that I acquired in my collection, And yeah, spending more time using this one was really a blast. I'm so glad I fell back in love with it. So another rollout. And then the two palettes that I wanted to hit a pen in were the Artitude Cosmetics Urban Neutral and the Odensai and Angelica Nyquist Hella palette. In the Urban Neutrals palette, I wanted to hit a pen in the shade Central, which used to look like this when I introduced it in the project. And this is what it looks like now. So we have a beautiful shiny pen, and it took me 8 uses in this project to hit that pen. I mostly used it in the inner corner. I did one look with it on the whole lid, and yeah, it was a very easy shade to use because it's sort of an iridescent. I loved every time that I used it. Like, yeah, it was a really beautiful shade, and it made me use that palette more, and I loved every second of it. Which means this one is rolled out too. And then from the Hella palette, the shade that I wanted to hit pen on was the shade River, and this is what it looks like now. So as you can tell, it does not have a pen yet, just a big dip, and I used it 8 times in this project. I'm not gonna show you the looks that I did with this one yet. I'm saving this for when I do hit the pen, so this one is staying. So we have 4 rollouts and 2 that are staying in the project. I'm so excited about these results. And now let me go through my collection to choose 4 products to come in the project now. Okay, so I have everything here. I decided to choose this lip oil from Makeup Revolution from the Nikki Lily collaboration. It's in the shade Caramel Apple Macchiato. It's a little bit colored. I don't have much more left, but still all of this. And I think I could use it the same way that I did use the Huda Beauty Balm. So this one should be pretty easy. Then I have one of my favorite lip liners in my collection, and I really love it, but it's getting smaller and I'm pretty sure I can finish it. This is the Fenty Beauty lip liner in the shade Extra Thigh, and yeah, as you can tell, it's quite small now, and yeah, it's a color that I really use very often. I love it. This is what it looks like. So as you can tell, it's a little bit darker. It's neutralish, cooler toned. And yeah, I use it very often, and it is very creamy. So I really sharpen it quite often as well. So I really think it's possible for me to finish it quite quickly. I don't think I will finish it until the next update, but probably the one after. And another lip product is going to be my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Madeleine. I'm sorry, I don't know how you pronounce this in English. And it's a very old product. It's like the packaging is broken. I'm not able to show you how full it is because I don't think it's transparent, like the... Yeah, no, it's not. It's colored. I don't know how much is left, but I have had this for a very long time. I really enjoy the formula. It looks like this, so it's really easy to use. It's very balmy. It feels, yeah, I really enjoy this formula, but I think it's time for it to be finished. It still smells very good. Like, this formula from NYX smells really good, and yeah, with the summer coming, I think I'm more likely to wear more glosses, so this one is a great pick. And finally, the eyeshadow that I want to pan is going to be from my beloved Nightshade palette from Gourmand Girls. And I'm choosing the shade Flowering, which is a beautiful yellow. Let me show you what it looks like here. And I think that with summer coming, I will be very likely to use that type of shade. Like, it really is a beautiful one. And I think that this formula would be quite easy to hit pen on. It's not really an iridescent, it's a little bit more interesting. Like, it looks so beautiful, and yeah, I really enjoy this palette as well. I haven't used it very often, but since I had to use the Haunted palette in another project and I loved every second of it, it was from my deck of panning. I can show you the video here. And yeah, I really want to use my Gourmand Girls palettes more, and this is a perfect opportunity. I just added here the River Shade from the Hella palette to show you the color story that we are going to work with for the next few weeks. I'm not gonna show you the NYX primer and the lip oil on my hand because it's like colorless. But all of these together would do a beautiful look, and yeah, I'm loving this and I'm really excited. So that's it for this update. Hopefully you liked it. If you are doing a project pen, let me know. I would love to see your progress. You can comment your channel and I will watch your videos. And tell me, what do you think of the progress that I made? Are you excited for the next update? Do you like the products that I chose? If you have any ideas of products that you would like to see me pen, let me know in the comments. And yeah, thank you so very much for watching. Hopefully I will see you in my next one. Bye.